Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you considering moving to Canada and looking for a job as a cleaner? Is it possible to apply for cleaner jobs in Canada from abroad without a work permit, agency, or any fees? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about cleaner jobs in Canada, including who is eligible, duties and responsibilities, education and training, job benefits and pay, working conditions, and how to apply. So can foreigners apply for cleaner jobs in Canada while abroad? The short answer is yes. Foreigners can apply for cleaner jobs in Canada while they are still abroad, but they must follow specific procedures to get the job. It's important to note that you will need a work permit to work legally in Canada, but some types of work permits are exempt from requiring a labor market impact assessment (LMIA). Who is a cleaner? Cleaners are responsible for keeping various types of premises clean, including offices, factories, hospitals, schools, and homes. Cleaners use a variety of cleaning tools and equipment such as mops, brooms, vacuum cleaners, and cleaning solutions to ensure that the environment is clean and sanitary. Cleaners must also be able to follow safety guidelines and use protective equipment. Duties and responsibilities of a cleaner. The duties and responsibilities of a cleaner can vary depending on the type of work and the employer. However, some of the common duties and responsibilities include cleaning floors, walls, and ceilings, dusting furniture and fixtures, cleaning and disinfecting washrooms, removing trash and recyclables, performing other cleaning tasks as assigned. Who can apply for this job? Anyone who has a valid work permit and meets the employer's requirements can apply for a cleaner job in Canada. However, it's essential to note that some employers may require specific skills, experience, or language proficiency, so it's crucial to research the job requirements before applying. Education and training for cleaners. Most cleaner jobs do not require any specific education or training. However, some employers may prefer candidates with a high school diploma or equivalent. It's also essential to have excellent communication skills, be physically fit, and have the ability to work independently. Types of work available for cleaners. Cleaner jobs in Canada can be full-time, part-time, or temporary. There are also opportunities for permanent work. Some employers may require cleaners to work evenings, weekends, or holidays. Full-time cleaner worker. Full-time cleaner jobs typically require working 30 to 40 hours per week. The employer may provide benefits such as health insurance, vacation time, and sick leave. Permanent cleaner work. Permanent cleaner jobs offer job security in houses or companies, and may include benefits such as a pension plan, life insurance, and disability insurance. Cleaner jobs benefits and pays. Cleaner jobs in Canada offer a competitive salary range of $19.70 to $25 per hour. Some employers may offer additional benefits such as medical and dental insurance, paid holidays, and sick leave. Working conditions and requirements. Cleaner jobs in Canada can be physically demanding and require standing, bending, and lifting. Cleaners may be exposed to cleaning chemicals and must follow safety guidelines and use protective equipment. Cleaners must also have excellent time management skills and be able to work independently. How to apply for cleaning jobs. To apply for a cleaner job in Canada, you can search for job postings on job boards, company websites, or job search engines. You can also contact cleaning companies or employment agencies to inquire about job opportunities. It's essential to have a well-written resume and a cover letter that highlights your skills and experience. In conclusion, cleaner jobs in Canada can be a great opportunity for foreigners looking to move to Canada. Remember, applying for cleaner jobs from abroad is possible, but you will need a work permit to work legally in Canada. Additionally, some types of work permits are exempt from requiring a labor market impact assessment (LMIA). So it's essential to research the requirements and regulations to ensure that you're eligible. Overall, cleaner jobs in Canada offer competitive pay, job security, and opportunities for growth and development. If you're interested in pursuing a cleaner job in Canada, research the job requirements, create a well-written resume and cover letter, and reach out to potential employers or employment agencies. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video with your friends and family who may be interested in cleaner jobs in Canada. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on easy work abroad. Until next time.